Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make white sauce pasta with yogurt. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need your favorite pasta, plain yogurt, butter, flour, milk, and your preferred seasonings. For the best results, select a short pasta shape such as pen or fusilli, as these hold the creamy sauce beautifully. Always ensure your yogurt is plain and unsweetened to maintain the savory balance of the dish. Now, let's create the base for our velvety white sauce. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to form a smooth roux, cooking it for about 1 minute. Next, gradually pour in 1 cup of milk, stirring continuously with a whisk. Keep stirring until the sauce thickens to your desired consistency, ensuring no lumps form. With your sauce base ready, it's time to add the star ingredient. Remove the saucepan from the heat before gently stirring in 1/2 cup of plain yogurt. This prevents the yogurt from curdling. Now, season your sauce with about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, and a small pinch of nutmeg for a warm, aromatic touch. Finally, gently combine this creamy sauce with your freshly cooked pasta. To elevate your dish, garnish your white sauce pasta with some fresh herbs, such as finely chopped parsley or chives, for a burst of color and flavor. For the best experience, serve your pasta immediately while it's warm and the sauce is at its creamiest. This ensures you enjoy the optimal taste and texture. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. They're truly worth it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.